Adding Key Polymer SlipStop to a floor restore application combines the benefits of superior traction with long-term floor protection, resulting in years of workforce safety and cargo integrity. Applying SlipStop is simple and adds minimal extra cost to a floor restore application. Here's all you do. Mix half of a floor restore kit in the usual way. When the Part A and Part B are thoroughly blended, pour 1 pail of SlipStop into the mixture and stir to distribute the granules. Promptly pour 1/4 of the mix across the nose of the trailer and apply with a squeegee. Before each subsequent pour, give the mixture a quick stir with the stick to keep the SlipStop granules evenly distributed. Continue in the same fashion until this first batch has been used up. Mix the second half of Floor Restore Part A and B, pour, and blend the second pail of SlipStop as before. Apply to the rest of the untreated wooden floor. Curing time will be identical to that of Floor Restore alone. Please review complete Floor Restore application instructions before starting the job. When the mixture cures, the trailer floor will have a slip characteristic similar to that of a hard rubber surface. Floor Restore and SlipStop are available throughout North America at leading trailer dealers and parts suppliers. To locate your nearest dealer, or if you have questions, please call 978-258-7110 or email us at sales@keypolymer.com. For complete details on all Key Polymer transportation products, visit keytransportationproducts.com. Key Polymer SlipStop, the proven, durable way to provide enhanced footing for your drivers and employees while protecting your wooden trailer and truck body floors for years to come.